Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous wig that I have installed. You're definitely going to want to find out more details about this unit, so continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Atina hair. I've actually worked with them a few times already. I believe this is my second or third collaboration. I have installed a 13 by 6.5 frontal wig. This is in the crystal lace. This is also 200% density. The texture is silky straight. The length is 20 inch. That lace is where is that lace? Overall, the wig is actually fitting me very well. I'm very pleased with how it's fitting my head. I don't really have to cut too much of that area there because it is well fitted. What we're gonna do next is just, cut the lace, and then we're gonna meet back here. So you're just gonna see me do that. I'm not gonna be talking through this portion of the video. I might use some glue, should I? But I'm not gonna be using like a lot of layers because I don't wanna keep this on for too long.
value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine.
Today's wig is 20 inches, and I would say it is true to 20 inch. The density is pretty good for a 200% wig, but it is pretty full for the most part. That's what the ends look like on the unit. It's very healthy hair. It does feel very soft, very silky. It's giving very natural. It's not too shiny. It just looks like very healthy hair. I really loved the construction of the lace. As you guys saw the comparison between the different laces that I showed you, there's the normal HD lace, which I actually love. I love a classic HD lace. I have nothing against HD. I would say out of the 3 lace options that I put on my arm earlier, the transparent lace is my least favorite. It usually tends to show up white. This particular lace is the crystal clear lace. It's been so long since I've done like a full glue install. I just don't like using glue, but I feel like for the front of the hairline, it definitely gave it a very melted look, which I wanted to do this wig justice. So I really feel like that's what we did with this unit. It is really cute. If this is something that you might be into, definitely check them out. The parting space, you guys, is super deep. As you guys can see, 13 by 6.5 goes all the way back here, and I literally left that part as deep as it could possibly go to showcase how deep it is, because normally I would stop here, about here on my wigs, and then brush that hair back, but we didn't even have to stop there. We kept going, and then we brush the hair back. There's a lot of parting space on this unit, which makes it a very versatile unit. You can do updos, you can do braids, you can do a whole bunch of different styles. We did cut some baby hairs onto the unit, just some minimal baby hairs. When I first started reviewing wigs, I didn't like baby hairs. I always thought like, oh, they look fake, but now I'm leaning towards baby hairs more so than not. Isn't that funny how times change? One more thing I wanted to mention about the crystal lace and the difference with that, it is the clearest lace that you can get. The crystal lace does have the slightest color, but when you put it on like a lighter section or a darker section, it blends in. Those are my final thoughts about this unit. If you want to check them out, I'm gonna leave all the information to Atina Hair in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, as always, you are the MVP of the day, and I really do appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Might as well get on it and join the MVP club, because we do lots of wig giveaways, more than anyone else that I've seen on YouTube. So if that sounds good to you guys, hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so you don't miss out. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.